Yes, you can program a flip key for your 2013-2016 Chevy Malibu yourself. These models use a standard programmable key system. This involves synchronizing the flip key with your Malibu's onboard computer, specifically the Body Control Module or BCM. The key contains a transponder chip that communicates with the BCM. You'll need a new, unprogrammed flip key, available online for $20 to $50, and your Malibu. This process typically requires cycling the ignition switch multiple times while pressing key fob buttons to enter programming mode. A working master key from your original set is often required to start the process. Begin by inserting your existing working master key into the ignition. This is the key that currently starts your car. Next, turn the ignition to the on-run position for a few seconds, then turn it back to off. Repeat this process rapidly about 10 times. Check your owner's manual for the exact number. This puts the car into programming mode. Now, remove the working key and insert the new, unprogrammed flip key into the ignition. Turn the ignition to the on-run position. The car should recognize the new key. You may need to press the lock or unlock button on the flip key to complete the pairing with the vehicle's BCM. Finally, test the key by starting the engine and using the remote lock-unlock functions. If it doesn't work, repeat the process or consult a professional. For faulty BCM issues, a dealership reset may be needed. Remember to check online DIY communities for troubleshooting tips.